Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to give you a brief overview of Astra's custom layouts feature. Let's go and navigate to our site layouts maker. Let's head to the dashboard, and on our left sidebar, let's hover over Astra, and our custom layouts, or our site builder, is under here. And once we click on that, we should be under our site builder or our custom layouts maker. Astra gives us this user interface called the Site Builder and shows us which website parts we can customize and gives us an easy overview of editing and previewing them and organizing all of them. You can see we can make custom headers and footers besides the ones that we can make in our header and footer builder. We can make custom hooks, and this one is if you want to make, let's say, custom containers, custom calls to action, excuse me. So if you wanted a YouTube video and a button and a little short text, short paragraph, and you wanted to put that on different parts of your website, not exactly in the same place, you can do that with this. Single post layout, if you wanted the single post or page to stand out or be different depending on certain content that you might have. Your archive, if you wanted to have a custom archive, blog archive layout, and a custom 404 page. So let's take a look at what we can do real quick. So as an example, I've already made one of these in a previous video, but I've made a custom 404 page. And if the preview loads up over here, you can see that I used the editor to make a custom 404 page. So right now, let's do something simple and let's make a brand new custom header. Let's get started by clicking on Create New, and it should take us to the block editor, basically. So let's decide to put this underneath our contact page. So let's put contact header, and just like anything else, we can always insert blocks from our block inserter. Before that, let's insert a container, okay, and a single one should be fine. And then we can insert our site logo. We can insert our title, site title. There we go. And now we gotta go under layout and make it do that. And I think we can drag and drop this over here to the side or bottom. Nope, over here. Okay, there we go. And we can add our navigation, which is our menu. And we have this. And we can choose to use, over here on the menu configuration, we can choose to use any menu. So if we had our mega menu over here, we can use that. I believe it should load. Okay. And it should work over here, and we can alternatively, we can just go ahead and use our primary menu over here, and there we have it. And since this is clear, transparent, we want to use our site background or whatnot. So let's go ahead and configure the Astra settings. First and foremost, we want it to be a header. We want it to be a sticky header. And we want it to display on a specific page, and we want it to be on tag. You'd have to type it in since it doesn't have a drop-down menu. So it'll only display on contact, and don't display it on the entire website, and display it for all users. Okay, so we can return to post. And we can choose to enable or disable it on mobile. and we have date and time conditions. So if you want it to appear only on a certain time and date, then we can select that from here, and we can choose the time zone too, okay? But since we want this to be just for a specific page, we want this to have a background. So let's head back to our sidebar over here, and we can add a background color, one of the system ones. Probably best to select this block here and put a background color onto this. And you don't have to use a color at all. You can just use an image. So for instance, we can use this as our background, and then for this one, the block, we can remove our color over here, and then we can make the text color some light color over here. And then for this one, we can also change the background color to one of the default ones. So let's go ahead and fix this one over here. And there, that should be coherent. And we ought to make it wider or narrower over here. That should be fine. And we can choose to display it a different way. Okay, and then now for this one, we can also change up our justification to center. So we can put this in or in the middle, or drop down like that. We can also choose to increase or decrease the spacing. There we go. And now we should also apply color to our text, and let's choose black. Okay, and then we can make it big or small. Right, and we can also choose custom pixels and fonts and so on. Okay, so that's how it's going to look like. And this is going to be our header for the contact page only. So it doesn't have to be anything fancy. We're just using this as example. So once we're happy with that, we can click on Publish and save it. And once it's done loading, we can head over to our contact page over here and see it take effect. Okay, it's done loading. Let's refresh our site and see the changes. Okay, and you can see that we are now on our contact page, and our header is completely different from our home page. So let's head over back to our home page, and you can see it's absolutely different. Once we head to our contact page, our header is different as well. So whether you want to use this for making your website a bit more responsive, depending on the page, depending on the content, this is one use for the site layout, custom site layouts. And a while ago, it wouldn't load, but that's because I clicked on Do Not Display on the entire website. Kind of dumb for me. Apologies for that. And we can go back to our site builder here, and you can see that we have our drafts and so on over here. And let's return real quick. And that's just a simple example with the site builder with which you get with Astra Pro, what you can do. So in the coming videos, we'll have custom headers, footers, hooks inside posts and pages, single post layouts, archives for all 4 pages, and so on. So this is a basic overview. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, commenting, and subscribing to our channel, as it's free, and it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.